Hi everybody, I'm going to show you how to take a GoPro video and add GPS data to it, mainly a map track and also a elevation track to your GoPro video just using your phone. I'm using an iPhone 8, but there's an app that you can download, the GoPro app from the App Store. It also, you can download it for Android, but I happen to be using an iPhone 8. So anyway, I've got the app here, and I'm just going to click on it, and then I'm going to, I have my GoPro right next to me, and I have it turned on, and so you have to have the Wi-Fi on your GoPro turned on, and I'm going to connect to that. So, okay, so it's connected to my GoPro, and now I'm looking at the media on the GoPro, and the file that I want is this one right here. So, what I want to do is I want to download this file to my phone. So I'm going to click this little button here, and it says calculating, and then it's going to start downloading. So this is going to take about another 2 minutes. So we'll come back after it's done downloading. Okay, so the download is complete. So now what I want to do is I want to view the media. And so here's the media. It's in the app now. And it's not on my phone anymore. And so now that I have it, it's not on the camera anymore. Now that I have it on my phone, what I want to do is I want to touch the little pencil icon, and I want to scroll over on the bottom here where it says stickers. So on the stickers now, it gives you a choice of logo, speedometer, terrain, path, speed chart. They may not be in this order here, but the one that you want first is, the one I want is terrain. So I'm going to add terrain. Now, when you first touch it, it'll put it in the upper left corner. But let's say I don't want it in the upper left corner. I want it maybe in the lower left corner. So if I touch it again, it moves it over. Touch it a third time. Touch it a fourth time. And now it's in the lower left corner. So the other thing that I want to show on this one is the altitude, because I want to see whether I'm climbing uphill or downhill or whatever. So if I touch the altitude one, that's going to put it in the upper left corner. A little hard to see up there, though. I'm going to touch it a second time, and I'll touch it a third time. And so now it's in the lower right corner. So this is showing me my position on the map and also the altitude. So that's fine. That's how I want it to look. And so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to click the little check mark here. And it's going to go through here, and I'm going to click save. And it clicks saves. Okay. All right. So now that it's saved, what I want to do is I want to save it to my photos on the phone. So I'm going to click this little upload, and it says save to photos. So I'm going to do that, and it's going to prepare clip. Now this can take a while, so what I'm going to do is I'll let it prepare it, and then I'll come back after it's done preparing. Okay, so the clip is saved, and I get this thing that says media saved. Check it out in photos. So I click got it. And I can close the app here, and then I can go to my photos, and we'll look at, here's my photos, and we're going to go to the clips here, and here's my clip, and there's my video. It's got map track on it and also the altitude track. So now all I have to do is upload that. I can upload it to YouTube or Facebook or any number of things. And if people want to see the route that I took, you can figure it out from the map there. So thanks for watching, and please subscribe to see more tips and tricks, and we'll see you later.